Good morning, beautiful people, and welcome to your oracle reading for today, for 30th November 2020. And this is Shilpa M. Menon. So, I've chosen this amazing filter for moon primarily because today is a full moon day coupled with an eclipse. So, and also in India, it's a very, very beautiful day. It's called as Guru Purab, where is Guru Nanak's birthday. So, it seems to be a very powerful celestial day today, where because there has been usually a lot of myth around the eclipse that if there is an eclipse coinciding with the full moon, then the energies are not so great. However, that's not true. What we are really entering into is a big portal of change, a big portal of transformation. It's a month end, so a lot of closures and completions. Today's date totals any which ways to number 9. So once again, closures, completions, and understanding what are you all about. The full moon has entered into Gemini, so lots and lots of things. When you look at Gemini, you're talking about air sign, Mercury related, so communication. The changes that's going to come in along with the moon is about changes, communication. So watch out how you're communicating, be mindful of all of that. And let me show you the goddess card for the day, because also today is the day where a lot of goddess energies are invoked. So I decided to pull a card from the goddess energy, and let me show you the card. Okay, thank you so much. The goddess that's come in is a Celtic goddess called as Maeve, and I loved what's written over here. It says cycles and rhythm. Just for today, Goddess Maeve, the Celtic goddess, is asking you to honor the cycles of your body, your energy levels, and emotions. All of life is cyclical. The moon, the stars, the fact that there is a day and then there is a night. When we inhale, we exhale. So there is always a cycle of life. What's funny is that sometimes we human beings, when we are very happy, we are peaceful, but we tend to get very surprised or overwhelmed when our emotions are on the opposite side of the spectrum. So for today, the Celtic goddess is saying that why don't you sit and honor even your highs and lows, all your moods, allow them to show up, and just channel your emotions the way it is meant to be, because your emotion is trying to tell you something, right? Well, when a lot of emotions are showing up, and especially for today, you're also asked to take good care of your body. Eat right food, nourish it with right thoughts. It's power packed with full moon, so there is a high possibility of waves of surge of emotions coming through. Also, a lot of awareness will come through for what is it that you want to discard from your life and what is it that you want to embrace in your life. I also invite you to go ahead and look through the entire month. How has the month gone by? Is there something new that you have learned? Is there something, a behavior, a pattern, or an attitude that you no longer wish to have in your life? Today is the day to release that. Go ahead and release that. It's very interesting that this card has come up, which talks about do something to take care of your body, which means self-care, self-love. And today is the first day of our workshop, which Radhika and I are working on, and we have curated this workshop, 21 Days Soul Magic, which is once again about loving yourself. So, and believe me, when we had planned 30th November, we did not know it was full moon. It was an intuitive planning. And in the last 1 week, we realized, oh my God, it's in synchronicity, or rather synchronistically aligned with the full moon. So we were even more excited that we are working on the day the change of portal is happening. You can do an affirmation saying, I am in touch with my emotions and I am at peace with my emotions. I invoke the energy of Goddess Maeve or even an Archangel Haniel to help me stay in grace and to help me stay in intuition. I hope this helps you, this particular chanting or affirmation. I don't know your name, but it says Hari.1968. So, yeah. So, it's not necessary that you need a specific affirmation or a specific chant, but if something as simple as Om works for you, take few deep breaths, close your eyes, and chant with whatever is your personal favorite chant, and allow for that energy and the vibration of your personal mantra to work for you. So no matter the chantings I do, my personal favorite is most of the time, actually there are two. One is Om Sai Ram and the second is Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu, which means pray all beings experience peace. So you choose which is an affirmation or a chant that works for you. However, a simple one is that just for today, I choose to honor the cycles and the rhythms of my body. Just for today, I allow for my emotions to express in its fullest potential with grace. Just for today, I invoke Archangel Haniel to work with me with the moon energies, with my intuitions, right? So there are so many affirmations that you can create for yourself today. And if you are creating a personalized affirmation, do write back to me. I'd love to read that. Yes, Irmala, Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu is the chant you're talking about, if I'm not wrong, right? That's the chant I taught you, right? Great. So that is what Goddess Maivish is saying today. You know, I'm not showing the card so much because I am fascinated by this filter, but let me show you the card. One last time. Goddess Maeve, honor the cycles of your body, energy levels and emotions. Celebrate the rhythms. Embrace the essence of the lifeblood that courses through you. It's okay to feel isolated and it's okay to celebrate. Both are welcome because that is how life is. We always have seasons, and you know, we have winter, we have summer, we have rains, which means the universe is constantly telling us that life is cyclical. There is birth, there is death, there is transition, there is transformation, there is release, and there is renewal. So I really pray that you go through your own renewal, your own release. And you know, one of the last things I'm going to ask you to do is literally raise your arms today, facing your palms in the sky. Yeah, and you can say, I'm open and receptive to the change that the universe is bringing in for me, for my highest good. I'm open and receptive for the change and the magic that universe is bringing in for me, for my highest good. And just for today, I align with the energies of the moon and receive the divine messages, the intuitions that helps me in my soul's growth. These are some of the things you can do today. It is a beautiful day. It is a powerful portal with eclipse, full moon and Guru Purab. And Guru Nanak Ji was known to give divine teachings. So go ahead and receive your own divine teachings or connect with your own masters, right? Do that today, just for today. Thank you so much. Now, I'm going to sign off. Have a happy full moon. Have a happy eclipse. Tune in, meditate, enjoy the energies. And of course, invoke Goddess Maeve and Archangel Haniel. Goodbye, everyone.